Okay, this is like your chapter 4 homework around number 23, another problem of at least one. So on the handout, this is the top of the sheet. We're doing the one on the very bottom here. We did the other two in other videos. Okay. And again, this is one from your homework. So if you want to pause this and go and read over this first, you can, and then come back. Okay, so what they're looking for here is they take 4 people's samples, like whether it's blood or what have you, and they're trying to see what's the probability that comes out positive. Okay, so if they have 4 mixtures combined together, what's the probability that at least one is it comes out positive, which means if the mixture comes out positive, that means at least one of the persons is positive. So the complement of at least one, over here if you look on the right, is none. So the complement of at least one positive is 1 minus probability of no positives. Okay, so that means all 4 people are negatives. So I wrote here, and I spelled something on here, I apologize. Probably the first one's negative, the second one's negative, you have 4 people together. The third person's negative, and the fourth person's negative. Okay, up here, it says a probability that individual test positive is 0.2. So if that's true, the probability that individual testing negative is 0.8. So if the probability of positive for individual is 0.2, the complement would be the probability that they test negative, which is 0.8. So again, I took 1 minus 0.2 to get this 0.8. So the probability the first one testing negative is 0.8, and then I multiply the probability the second one testing negative is 0.8, and then I multiply the third one and the fourth one. So we have 0.8 to the fourth. And if we simplify that, we get 0.5904, which of course you can round differently. In the homework, they have you round like this, 3 decimal places.